What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. We've got some scruff going on here. What is this? We're going out for Halloween, so I got a costume. I'm gonna be like a Roman guard, so I needed some scruff for my Roman outfit. Today we're gonna be doing an install video. I'm gonna show you guys how to install a blower fan on a, I think it's 2007 to 2012. I think that's what I think. I think that's the second generation of Toyota Tundras. I'll be specific when I do the title and find out the exact. 2007 to 2012, second generation Tundras. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a blower fan. Now, I don't know if this actually goes for all of them. It could be the same for all of them, probably is. But this is the version of mine. So the truck that I got, the blower fan is kind of shot. It makes like a whiny noise, like a, and it's because the fan's worn out. So I'll go ahead and show you guys it. You can listen to it. And then I got new parts from Toyota, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install that. So let's look at the parts. So the part that I got was right here. It's a Toyota part. And then I went with a Spectra, 18,000 miles of protection for an air filter, a cabin air filter. And then this is gonna be for the MR2 Spider. It's got a bunch of new goodies. I can't wait to do that for the turbo MR2. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do with that. So this is what we're gonna be installing today, and it's a replacement. And if you have the same issues, this is how you're gonna replace it as well. So you're gonna be coming into your truck. Yeah, we're doing truck, big old truck mod. And I wanna just have you guys listen to this. So we'll turn on the key, and it's on now. And then now you guys can hear it. Do you hear it? So it's making like this whiny noise. And then we'll turn it up. So that's on the low setting. Let's go full blast. It's just annoying. It's like not the end of the world, it's just annoying. It's worn out. So what we're gonna do, first things first, is you're gonna open up the glove box. Once you have the glove box open, you're gonna push right here. Again, I'm sorry, we're starting to do the night builds again. The fall came and the truck does not fit in the garage. So we're gonna pull this off right here. So pull this little clip here. Once you've pulled that little clip right here off the side, all you do is push on the two sides of the glove box. Just push on them here and it'll pop. Be a little aggressive with it. And then these little hooks here, it'll fall down, and then you can set aside. Let's take this out of here. We'll move this aside and get up underneath here next. If you're just doing an air filter, here is where the cabin air filter is. We're gonna go ahead and release this and get this thing out of here. Very simple. That's like literally, there's no tools involved. Slide that thing off and then push that in and it'll pop off. Let's remove the cabin air filter from here. So on this, just push, everything I'm gonna do, just push on these things, push them inwards and they'll come out. Now here's that cabin air filter. It's disgusting, I can already see. There's so much stuff. I'm gonna vacuum in here. This is awesome. This is like, just gnarly. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is bad. Look at all those leaves and twigs and all that. It's supposed to be white. So we're gonna throw that away. I'm gonna do a comparison. Let's go put this in the garage. I'll do a before and after. I just couldn't wait to show you. Here is a good cabin air filter, the new one. This is a new one from Spectra. I think it was $18. You can get them at your local auto parts store. This thing you're gonna have to order from Toyota or from online. Here's the old one. Oh, yikes! My gosh, that is disgusting. So I'm glad to get rid of that. Now we get this new one. I'm gonna go back over to the truck. This is kind of cool. There's a glove compartment right here. You guys know that? On the Tundra. I got a bunch of mods coming in. Look at that, a leaf fell down. So we're gonna take this off because I've heard it's easier. What I've seen, this is gonna be easier. So we'll do Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head, lefty loosey, and then tug. Let's do it. Okay, 3 Phillips heads and a 10mm right there. That other video, there's another video, it did not show this. The guy didn't do a thorough job. 10mm. Here's your 10mm. It's a Toyota Tundra, everything's 10mm. This is the guy that we don't like. So it's Denso, which we do like. We're gonna go up underneath here and we're gonna start dropping that. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I've gotten the fan out. So there are 3 screw bolts. 1, 2, 3 that are holding this Denso OEM one up. There was a leaf in there, hilarious. There's a little bit of rust right there, it looks like. So this is the thing that was making the noise. This thing's worn out. Just an FYI, because I didn't see again in the other videos, here are all the bolts. So 10mm down here, 3 Phillip head, but they're also screw bolts. And then I wanted to say that these right here are 8mm too. So they're hex, which the little thing in the hex is annoying. I hate that. Or there's flatheads, or just use a 8 millimeter socket wrench, and that's the easiest way to get off it. Once you do the lefty loosey, it'll come out. There's a plug that plugs into the motor from Toyota right here. Your new one will have it. That's it, and it falls down. Very simple, very easy. You can do this. If you guys want to look up underneath here, that's what it looks like up there. We're gonna vacuum up in there just to clean it. Let's do that now. Okay, so I've done the new motor is in there. So I believe that electric means motor and engine means combustion. So it would be an electric motor is in there. 3 8 millimeters tighten back up. Plug in the OEM harness, wire harness clip. Harness, pop right there, easy. Now it should work, but before we do that, we're gonna take our new air filter and put the new air filter in. Once you've inserted your new air filter, just slide it in there. You take the cap and you just slide it over. So easy. Guys, this is 1 star. This whole thing is a 1 star. Difficulty 1 star. You can do it literally anywhere. You can probably do it like, as long as you have an 8 millimeter, a 10 millimeter, and an 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and a Phillips head, you can totally do it. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, so I did vacuum all that and clean in here. It is better. So I will be getting new floor mats for this build. I cannot wait. This build's gonna be so dope when it's all done. We're gonna go ahead and reverse the steps now. So I'm gonna go grab that big plastic shroud thing and put it back on with the 3 Phillips heads and the 10 millimeter down there. And then we'll go ahead and put the glove box back on and then turn it on to see if it works. Before we turn it on to see if it, or do that, what I recommend is, let's just go ahead and turn it on right now. So I'm gonna do it right now. So I believe the key is still in the ignition. Check our work, right? So let's go ahead and do on. And ta-da! Sounds good, looks good, smells good. Genuine Denso. So use the Toyota stuff. Always use Toyota stuff. You know, if you get aftermarket, make sure it's just reputable. But dude, we're good. So that's it, fix that. All right, and just like that, you're done. So make sure to do this clip back in right there. It's really easy. Just pop it in. Make sure to wipe it all down. Make it look nice. I mean, this is a nice truck. It's a big old rig. You know, vacuum it, clean it. Make sure to do a new air filter. You guys saw how gross that was. And then this is real simple. Again, the Phillips heads and then the 10 millimeter hidden down there that I didn't know it was down there. And then other than that, now you just close that back up and hey, you're done. Very awesome, very easy. We're gonna be doing, I got some tons of new mods. We're gonna be doing interior mods, a lot of interior mods. I can't stand that over the driver's side silver, just platinum that doesn't look good. We're gonna be doing a new radio in here. I like the dash light up there, or this has a clock in the outside temp. I think that's pretty cool. This car doesn't have a reverse camera. So yeah, I was gonna do a video of all the stuff wrong with it, which I probably still will do, but I'm excited to just mod this bad boy up. I got a perfect steering wheel badge coming up next video. Also, I'm gonna have some LEDs soon here on MITCHDORE.com for this rig as well. If you need CELICA LEDs, MR2 LEDs, go to MITCHDORE.com, grab a microfiber, grab some of those. But man, what a cool! I also have sponsored seats coming in, sponsored leather seats that are gonna be coming in. I can't wait to show you guys, and you'll have a discount code for those as well for your Toyota Tundra. So that's it for this video. Very simple, easy fix. As always, look at that beard. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and then, yeah, comment if you need help. Very simple. If you get stuck on anything, you won't get stuck because this is a 1 star, easy. But I thought this would be a very, very informational, detailed how to bolt by bolt, install a replacement heater, blower, air conditioning, cooler, fan, whatever you want to call it, and a filter. Very simple. Next video. Oh my gosh. That's for the trucks. All Tacomas, all Tundras. I cannot wait to show you guys. I got my guy that makes my TRD badges. I had him to make TRD Tundra badges. Those are insane. They're gonna be on MITCHDORE.com, so of course swing by MITCHDORE.com. I'll be doing that install video soon. I got a ton of mods I'm gonna be doing this pickup truck. I think I'm gonna end up doing a 6-inch lift I think that's a pretty good lift. I'm gonna do 6-inch. MR2 Spyders back in the garage. CELICA GTS update will be coming soon. Turbo kit's just sitting in a box over there. We'll be doing bolt by bolt on the turbo kit for the CELICA very soon. I just need my new engine put in there. So again, make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.COMHOW, and I hope this was helpful. See you guys on the next video.